Hi everyone, won't take a lot of your time. I want to show you how you can actually block any of the website on your browser without using any third-party app. So what you have to do is go on your notepad, right click on it and open as administrator. There's an option run as administrator. Click on it and it will open notepad for you. What you have to do is I will give you this location in comments. What you have to do is copy it and go to file, click on this open option and just paste it here, and you should be able to see a host file. If you don't see it, just click on this all files here, select all files and open this host file here. If the host file is not there on your computer, you have to save a new file here as a host file. You just need to rename it. Most probably I would say 99.99% you will have a host file here. Just open it here. When you open this host file, you will see some script like this. If not, what you can do is just copy paste what I will provide you in one of my comments. Let's say if I want to block the youtube.com or any other website which I can open at the moment. So what I can do, I can just copy paste something like this, or under this, just paste what I will provide you in one of the comments. There's a DNS server number that I have given, and next to it you can provide the website domain. And when you save it and when you refresh your YouTube, you won't be able to open it. Let me just close the server or the browser and just open it again. So you can see I'm not able to open it, right? Same if I do it with any other website, let's say LinkedIn or even Instagram. All these, copy paste here under this and save this file, and then close my browser and open it one more time. You won't be able to open LinkedIn or even Facebook, right? Or even Instagram. And it happens with all the browsers, not just your main primary browser, but even if you go to some other browser like Opera or something, you won't be able to open it. Okay, let's say if you want to open this file again, right? Again, give hashtag next to the website that you want to open. Let's say if I do it for all the websites here, and save the file, close my browser and open it again, you'll be able to open all the websites. Okay, so very simple tutorial. I will provide you this script. It's not a very complicated script. You can even copy paste it either directly from my comment or type it by yourself. Okay, so saving it, and that's it. Thank you so much. Bye.